The accused in the asbestos matter are expected to be back at the High Court in Bloemfontein on Friday. Former Free State Premier Ace Magashule and his co-accused have failed in their bid to have charges against them quashed. Magashule, businessman Edwin Sodi, former Human Settlements Director-General Tabani Zulu, and former Free State Human Settlements head Ntimotsi Mokgetsi contend that charges against them were premised on the evidence presented before the Commission of Inquiry into state capture. Magashule has further argued that charges against him were politically motivated. He's also accused the prosecution of being dishonest by initially submitting that his former personal assistant Muradi Cholota was a state witness. Magashule says he will soon reveal the inconsistency in the justice system.
They don't have charges against me. They don't have witnesses against me. They know that this case was fabricated. They are just delaying me because they know they have an agenda. And you talk about state organs not taking sides. Here it is very clear. I don't want to tell you. Later on I'll talk about judges. It's a matter of time. We are busy checking this and that, and we'll actually give you real facts. And very soon I will go to even Chief Justice and say, but this is what I suspect.
One political analyst says the appeal has put Magashule in the right political space.
That will mean that he will have an opportunity to stand as a candidate, elective candidate, come the December elective conference of the African National Congress. And that we know will have significant ramifications for those who have already written off and that there is Magashule.
A legal analyst has also weighed in.
If he succeeds with the appeal, that would mean he would be then exonerated from the case, the criminal trial, which is currently facing before the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein. So in all likelihood, once the appeal court would agree with his submissions, that would definitely mean that he would not be one of the accused persons.
The National Prosecuting Authority says it stands ready for the trial.
As the prosecution team in the asbestos case, we are hoping that the pre-trial conference will proceed tomorrow in order to arrange a trial date. We are aware that there is an appeal pending before the Supreme Court of Appeal which might have a bearing on the proceedings of tomorrow. However, we are hoping that the parties could find each other and agree on a trial date.
Magashule, 10 others and 5 companies face more than 70 charges of fraud, corruption and money laundering. In dismissing the application to drop charges, the High Court found that the trial court was best placed to rule on the legal disputes raised by Magashule and his co-accused. The court ruled that a trial within a trial can determine the admissibility of evidence against them. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.